In today's video, we are going to be decorating the weekly spread in my Go Getter Girl planner with these adorable stickers from DEK Designs. I want to welcome you all back to my channel, or welcome you if you are new. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. If you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And if you aren't new but are not yet subscribed and you are enjoying my content, please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it really does help my channel. And I am so close to hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark. So every person that hits that subscribe button really does help me out a lot. And I promise you, I have so much fun content coming your way. I have planner lineup videos. I have goal planning videos. I'm gonna have functional planning videos. So yeah, you definitely wanna hit that subscribe button. All right, so what are we doing today? As I said, we are in my Go Getter Girl planner. We are in my weekly section, and for those of you who are not familiar with Go Getter Girl, and this coil bound 5-in-1 system, it actually goes from weekly to daily, which I absolutely love. It really does help organize my life. Even though I feel like I'm not super busy, it still really helps. What I am going to do this week, which I have never done before, is I am actually going to make this a Sunday start. Yes. And the reason why is because I have my dailies, it really is not going to matter as much. But I feel like I do all of my weekly prep on Sunday. So, for example, if I'm teleworking, then I like meal prep and stuff like that to get ready for the work week ahead. I might do some other things if there's other things coming up in the week. If I have to go into the office, I also have to meal prep, but I also have to like pick out clothes for the week and like get my work bag in order and stuff like that. So there's a lot that goes on Sundays that has to do with the rest of the week. And I just think for a weekly overview, it might be easier for my brain to function if I can see that Sunday here, if I can see the week here, and then I can jot down what I need to do on Sunday based on what is on the week, if that makes sense. So I think that's what we're going to do, or at least I know that's what we're going to do. We'll see how well it works and if I'm going to continue it. I've been in this planner since July, and this is the first time I've thought of it. So yeah, it seems like it'll make my planning a whole lot easier. So we will see. We are going to be using this sweater weather kit from DEK Designs. I am on the ambassador team or the affiliate program for DEK Designs. I will have their shop as well as my discount code down in the description box. So I'm going to use these. They have these cute decorative boxes. I'm not going to use the whole kit. I don't really, I do sticker it up, but I don't I don't cover all the white space. I cover a lot, but I don't cover it all. So yeah, we're going to use all of these adorable sticker kits. And I also pulled this sheet for redating. This is from the Autumn Vibe sticker kit. I actually got this as part of an Oops grab bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and start with redating. All right, my planner is redated. I do want to mention that Go Getter Girl is doing their 2024 like planner release on Tuesday the 7th. Again, I will have that link as well as my affiliate code down in the description. I doubt if my affiliate code will work on any kind of sale products, but if you click on that link, I will get credit for any purchases that you make. So I would really appreciate it if you would consider using that link. And Go Getter Girl is actually going to be reducing their planner prices in general by like $5 or $10. And in addition to the coil system, they also have a disc-bound planner system. Their disc-bound planner system does not have the weekly in it. It just has the daily pages. You can buy weekly inserts to add. I just like the format of how it switches, which is why I choose the coil. It's just a personal preference to me. But yes, and you know, they have excellent paper. They also have soft cover, like soft bound books, as well as actually hard bound books that are a little bit thinner too, because they're like 3-in-1 systems. So there is a lot to choose from in Go Getter Girl. So I highly recommend checking out the website if you are in search of a new planner. And like, this is an outdated planner, and I will also be using another outdated planner unless something catches my eye, which something might catch my eye and I still might use an outdated planner for 2024. but I will show you. Obviously, I just redated that so you can kind of see that, but we will do a whole setup if I use an outdated planner, which I likely will. Showing you how to kind of make these work. And those should be on sale considering that it is the end of the year. So definitely, if you're curious about Go Getter Girl, now might be the time to check them out. They will probably be having like discounts and stuff like that, being it is the new release. So yeah, definitely consider it. Ooh, I can use these two down here. I want to do these here. Yikes. So I'm off work Tuesday and Friday. So I don't think I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to just plan. Like at first I was like dividing everything up, but I don't really think I need to do that anymore. So I think I'm just going to plan, guys. I'm just going to plan. Maybe let's be... Is that how it's supposed to be? I done forgot, y'all. Yeah. Let's just do this. Beans, I'm like so uniform through like the rest of the, but this needs to go, well, we'll separate this a little bit. Okay. That is looking so cute. I have one more sticker, but I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. We'll see. I also have stickers on this sheet. Look, Trash Eve. Oh my gosh. That I need. So Trash Eve is going to be, ooh, yeah. It is not a day off for the trashmen. So Tuesday is election day here in Virginia. And that is the reason why I have a day off. They have made it a state holiday. So, yay for state holidays. All right, let's see here. I promise I will get into some functional planning shortly. I think this fits all the way across, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I should just start it here and just, that'll be it. Just easier. I don't think I want it to go to the edge of the page. I think I like it right there. Did not cut that the best. I have Election Day and then Veterans Day. So I have a lot of time this week to get stuff done around the house, which has been neglected. So this is going to be a heavy chore week for me. I am going to like pretty much do some deep cleaning. I think I mentioned in my last Plan With Me video where I did my fitness planner that I might even, well, I was thinking about this weekend doing my Christmas decorations, but I need to see about the weather because being I'm off, I might just put them in my house on Tuesday because I know it's going to rain on Thursday, but I'm not sure about the rest of the week. Let's go ahead and finish this one off. So yeah, I have used these sticker kits quite a bit. I like it at the top, I think. Yeah, I think it looks better at the top. I know this is focus and priorities. I don't think I need it. I can cover it. Like, I don't think I need it to say focus and priorities. I mean, I like it saying focus and priorities, but you know, I like putting this sticker strip at the top too. So yeah, I got to figure out the weather to figure out the best day to do my Christmas decorations. And I'm doing them early just because, like I said, the weather is on the nicer side, has been at least, or wasn't last week. Last week it was cold, which I'm not upset about because we've had a very warm fall. Even when I went on vacation over in Italy, they were having a warm fall, which was funny because when I was getting ready to pack, like they were saying like it was going to be like colder, and then it ended up not being. So, you know, I'm talking like 80s and stuff like that, upper 70s. but that's how it's been also here. So I'm not mad at the cooler weather. I don't like, you know, 30s and stuff like that in the mornings, but I don't mind like 50s in the evenings or afternoons, because, you know, it's nice to like bust out some like cute sweaters and, you know, sweater weather and some boots and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, let's get into planning now. We have stickers. So we're gonna do boxes. I don't need this one anymore. Okay. We also have that. I think I'm gonna use these later. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that. So we will use some of these. All right, so I know Monday there is a meeting. I need to hide that somehow. Let's look at these. Let's do to do down here. Let's do work here. And if I have anything, I can always put a box over that. Didn't I say I was just gonna plan, but now like I think I wanna cover that up. And then we'll just do today here. These headers, it makes me cover them up. Okay, whatever. All right, like I'm already getting confused. I'm thinking that's Monday. No, this is Monday. All right, so I have a meeting that day. I think I might have something this day. And then we're off on Friday. But if you watched my other channels, you know what I like to do here. I wasn't even thinking about that when we did it. So I did this last week with, I didn't film a plan with me on it, but I used these stickers. I know that these are just like covers for, you know, cover up some blank space or use as like a background or something like that. But I used them to make a double box because there aren't double boxes on here. I hope I have enough. And it worked pretty well. So I'm doing it again, obviously. There we go. So what I could do is I could do another work sticker. Which one do I want? Maybe we should do this one. Okay, there we go. So see, I created my own double box there, and that is where I like to have a place where there are things that I need to do the week for work. So like basically what I'll do is I'll just go ahead. So I'm filming this on Friday. If there's anything that comes up today that I know needs to be done next week, I'll just like jot it down in here because I don't know what day it needs to be done or what day I'm going to do it, but I need to have it written down so I don't forget. So that's kind of why I do that. But I like that. Don't you like the way that looks? So yeah, if you don't know what to ever do with these stickers, like I said, a lot of people use them to cover up some of the white space, but obviously you can use it to create fun, functional boxes. All right, so I'm gonna use these on my days off because I need to be productive on my days off. And then I'm also gonna use one of these on Sunday because like I said, Sunday is the busier of the, let's try to get them all. I'm being very like, making sure they're all in like similar spots. Like that's so unlike me. I'm usually like all over the place, but like this is very like put together, you know? So unlike me. I do want a next week header, and there's only one, so I have to do the orange. And I'll just do there we go. And then for this week, there are some this week ones. I just want to use the kit. We have all of these adorable stickers in this kit. I want to use them. I usually put boxes over here anyway, so it's not that much of a change from what I usually do. Let's see what I could do. Hold up. This sidebar doesn't really get that busy, if I'm being honest, because I have my daily sheet. So this is just stuff like I'll write down if I need to like pick up a prescription or like call in a prescription, I'll write that there. But now what I can do is put this right here. I feel like it kind of needs to be in line, don't you? Yeah. I started that whole thing, so I guess I gotta keep it there. Okay. All right, so I have work thing. Okay, now I need to do all of my like heavy chore stuff. So I'm gonna add boxes all around here. It's gonna be here, it's gonna be everywhere. There we go. So this is where I'll write, like I do zone cleaning. So this is kind of where I write down, like plan out the week, and I kind of map it out. A lot of it is very consistent, but a lot of it also depends on what I'm gonna have time to do. Like if things come up, like floors is not gonna take me as long as cleaning the bathroom. So if I have a very busy day one day, then I might switch those up. So like these aren't really set in stone. Like I don't have like a cleaning schedule set in stone. All right, so now I do think I'm gonna use some of these. I think I'm gonna put some up here, and then I think we're gonna be done, guys. Like there really, it doesn't feel like there's that much to do. I think we're done decorating. I know that there's a blank spot here and here, but I don't want to fill up everything because I feel like this week is gonna possibly get busier. And I want to leave that room there in case I need it. All right, I think that adds a little something without being overwhelming. But that's it, guys. This was a pretty quick spread. That is one of the reasons why I do like these sticker kits, especially with me being like, instead of like angling them and stuff like that, it just makes it so simple. So let me fill in what I already know is going on this week. All right, so that is the basics of what I have to do. There's some other things that I'll put in here in a little bit, and then of course this will kind of get filled in as things pop up. Like I said, I might, based on the weather, might have to bring in my Christmas decorations here. That's why I left this like empty, because I cleaned in the living room, but I might have to clean it again after all the like the pine needles and stuff fall off my fake tree. So we'll see. But that is it. This is my Go Getter Girl planner. Again, I changed it so that way it is starting from Sunday instead of Monday. So that way I can actually map out, I can look at what's going on this week and map it out a little bit better here, at least map out my Sunday a little bit better here. So yeah, we'll see how this works. Every time I change the start date, it gets so confusing because I do change the start date in my monthly calendar sometimes to Mondays instead of Sundays. Yeah, because that, I kind of like it. Let's see. Yeah, like here I have a Monday start. So yeah, I get all thrown off by like me changing the start dates, but it does work better. It's just habit keeps me sometimes from I put things in the wrong areas, but we'll see. Hopefully I like this. That way I can get used to a Sunday start in this particular planner. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And as I mentioned earlier, if you are not already subscribed, I would really, really, really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. That is all I have for now. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.